How to use redeem code in iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use your redeem code in iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Well, if you want to use your redeem code on your iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is you have to open up your app store instead. Then tap on your Apple ID profile from the top right hand side. Then here you'll see an option that says redeem gift card or code. So you have to redeem it and the balance will get added to your Apple ID, which you can use to purchase some premium app or anything. So you can use the camera to scan the gift card that you have, or you can enter the code manually. If it is the digital gift card, enter the code, then tap on the redeem option and the gift card will get successfully redeemed. This way you can go ahead and then use your redeem code in your iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.